This one ticket is all you need to use Edinburgh's entire transport system. Let me explain. Edinburgh has a great transport system that's convenient and easy to use. You'll see all the red buses going about Edinburgh. This is the local transport. This one ticket can let you on trams and bus all day. Now these are Edinburgh's local bus stops. You'll see them scattered all over the place in Edinburgh. They're quite easy and simple to use. You'll see a sign above the bus stop which tells you it countdowns in minutes when the next bus will be. You also got paper copies inside the bus stops which shows you the time, roughly the time the next bus will be coming for your destination. You can easily track what bus you need going to Google's Maps, and that'll tell you what number of bus you'll need going to your destination. It is as simple as that. Now tickets cost wise, it's quite reasonable here in Edinburgh for our local transport system. There are quite a few options you can try, but it all depends on personal circumstances. So if you're travelling just for one trip, then I recommend just getting a single ticket for £2. If you're travelling multiple, 2 and up, then I recommend getting a day saver, and you can pass it on to someone else if you need to, or if your family member needs to travel, you can do that throughout the entire day and it won't cost you any more than £5. And also you can use the Edinburgh trams, but you can't travel to the Edinburgh airport. You need to pay for a separate ticket to travel to the airport. Hold up, I forgot to mention, if you're travelling East Coast, like if you're going to North Berwick, Dunbar, you'll need to pay for a separate ticket. That's what the green buses are for. They're East Coast buses. Now there are a few ways you can buy your ticket. The first way is you can pay on the bus itself, but please make sure you have the correct change. You can also download the app from Lothian Buses or M-Ticket, which is on Google Pay or Android or Apple, and follow the instructions on how to pay and buy your tickets through the app to use on the bus service. It's an easy and simple way to use the buses here in Edinburgh, and a lot of tourists here in Edinburgh use that way because it's more convenient. They don't carry cash. So if you want to use the app, download it. Here's just a step-by-step guide just in case you need to know how to use it. There's one more ticket you can buy if travelling after 6 p.m. here in Edinburgh. It's called a day and night saver, and that ticket there will get you on the bus after 6 p.m. all the way to 4 a.m. and that lets you on our night service. So if you're staying outside Edinburgh and need to get the bus home, you can use this ticket basically to get all the way around Edinburgh. It's like an adult day saver, but it's a wee bit cheaper. It's £4.50, and this lets you travel day and night, but up 6 p.m. till 4 a.m. So there you have it. You can travel around the whole of Edinburgh for as little as £5. And if you don't want to get local transport, you can just walk. Thanks for watching.